Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where OneDrive login was either interrupted or unsuccessful error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, before anything else, you need to make sure that the internet is working well. So open any browser and go to fast.com, hit enter and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? Now I'll tell you why it needs to be good enough, because these days OneDrive basically means that it can upload videos and photos as well. So it needs a significant internet connection speed, probably with Wi-Fi. Once this part is sorted out, right click on OneDrive, click on this setting symbol here, click on this download pointing arrow next to pause syncing, select quit OneDrive, quit it. Okay, now we will search for OneDrive once again in the Windows search bar, and then we will open the application. Okay, and when we open the application, it will start syncing again. Okay, so right click on it, and now it says your files are synced. Okay, so this is how this issue can be solved. Other than this, you can also run the network troubleshooter, and I'll tell you why. Because at times, even if the network is working fine, there may be issues with DNS resolution and all. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.